Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting the internal components. Make sure to have your new battery on hand, compatible with the Conga 2290 model. Start by ensuring that your Conga 2290 is powered off and disconnected from any charging base. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the device over to access the battery compartment. Here, you'll notice several screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small bowl to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your cloth. This step is essential to prevent any potential issues with the new battery. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully pulling out the connector. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can give you peace of mind. After the old battery is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the connector of the new battery with the port in the compartment and push it in firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure the battery is seated properly before proceeding. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, making it convenient for you. Once the new battery is connected, replace the cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the plastic. After reassembling, turn your Conga 2290 back over and power it on. It should now recognize the new battery and resume normal operation. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in any further work needed. Finally, always keep an eye on your robot's performance after a battery change. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the sensors and brushes, will prolong the life of your device. In summary, changing the battery in your Conga 2290 is a straightforward process that you can handle with the right tools and a little patience. Following these steps will help you keep your robot vacuum running optimally for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.